Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfreeze your frozen footer on your Wix website. Okay, let's go to the video. Now I'm on my Wix editor. Okay, scroll down to the footer. Here, this is my footer. Here I have not freeze my footer. First, I will show you how to freeze your footer. Right click on the footer. Then you can see settings, click on that. Then you can see freeze footer. Click on that, then it will on. Now my footer is frozen. Then it means when you scroll down, it will remain your screen without scrolling footer. Okay, now let's see how to unfreeze this locked footer. Okay, then right click on footer, then you can see again this menu, but then click on settings. But sometimes when you click on settings, you can see nothing happens. Then how to unfreeze this locked footer? You can see tools on the top right side. Click on that. Then you can see here toolbar. Put tick on toolbar. Then you will get this pop-up. Okay, then again click on footer. Now you can see on the pop-up toolbar in the bottom freeze position. You can see it has on. Now we want to unfreeze our footer, so click on that, then it will off. Now our footer is unfreezed. Again, if you want to freeze your footer, right click on the footer, then you need to on this freeze footer. Then again you can see on the pop-up toolbar in the bottom freeze position is on. Then again you can unfreeze your footer like this. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and subscribe me for more videos.